Let's learn when to use the verb ing form. Simple rules. Quick examples. Let's begin. Rule 1. Use verb ing after prepositions like for, without, in, on, about, before, and after. Use verb ing. It is right. Do not use the base verb. Say, thank you for coming. She left without speaking. I'm interested in learning. Before sleeping, I drink water. Never say. For come. Without speak. In learn. Before sleep. These are all wrong. Some verbs do not like the base verb. Use verb ing after stop, avoid, enjoy, and finish. Say. Stop talking. Avoid driving. I enjoy reading. She finished cleaning. Never say, stop talk, avoid drive, enjoy read, or finish clean. These are incorrect. This, too, is special. It's a preposition. So use verb ing after look forward to, be used to, and get used to. Say. I look forward to meeting you. She is used to living here. They got used to working nights. Never say, look forward to meet, be used to live, get used to work. These forms are wrong. Use verb ing after while, like, and as well as. Do not use the base verb. Say. She listens while studying. I like reading. He works as well as helping. Never say, while study, like read, or as well as help. Try these. Fix the verbs. I'm good at cook. She stopped cry. I look forward to see you. He listens while eat. The correct answers are cooking, crying, seeing, and eating. Use verb ing after prepositions. After stop, avoid, enjoy, and finish. After look forward to and be used to. And after while and like. Do not use the base verb in these places. Great job learning today.